Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install Unity Hub on Red Hat 8.5. Unity Hub is a standalone application that streamlines how to find, download and manage your Unity projects and installations. Furthermore, it manages the installation of multiple versions of Unity editor by creating a project, associating a default version of the editor with the project and assigning the default version of the editor to the project. First, I am going to check the installed version of OS by using cat command. It is Red Hat 8.5. Now I am going to download the util3d using wget command. The download of util3d is completed now. This is the util hub app image. Now I am going to set the execute permission for util hub by using chmod command. Now I am going to run the installed util hub by using following command. It will asking for the team policy. Simply agree this one. This is the license agreement page of Unity Hub. By this, the installation of Unity Hub in Red Hat 8.5 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.